I've just taken delivery of this Toyan model engine. It's a 4-stroke, I think it's about 3.5cc single cylinder. Runs on petrol or gasoline if you're over the pond, and it's spark ignition. This is what arrived in the box. I've never done an unboxing video or anything like that in the past, but just thought it'd be interesting to see what comes with the kit. This is the full kit with the starter motor, the ignition, fuel tank and base plate, batteries. Looks like everything apart from fuel and oil is included to run the engine. So have a look at the engine. Like I say, you can probably tell I've never done anything like this before. In fact, I've only just bought this tripod selfie stick kind of thing. It's beautifully packaged, and I've got to say I'm absolutely blown away by the actual engine itself. It's a work of art. There's probably some people that know me will know I'm a bit of a perfectionist when it comes to engineering, but this is, well, I can't fault it. I probably couldn't even make it. Well, let's hope I can. Carburetor, fuel in, exhaust, flywheel, rocker cover, timing gears, crank, cam. I'll do some close-ups of it, because I'm not sure if I'm focused here or whatever, but it is a beautiful little thing.